Welcome back. Let us go through the question first. An aircraft is flying at a height of 3400 meter above the ground. If the angle subtended at a ground observation point by the aircraft positions 10 seconds apart is 30 degree, what is the speed of the aircraft? The given situation is shown in the figure like this. This is 30 degree and this is 15 degree. For finding the speed of the aircraft, we just need to find the distance AC, which is this, as we are given t equals 10 seconds. So now consider triangle ABD. So in case of this particular triangle, tan 15 degrees equal AB divided by BD, right? So AB is coming out to be BD into tan 15 degree. Now AB equals BD into tan 15 degree, as we have got already. Now AC equals 2AB equals 2BD into tan 15 degree. We put the value of AB, which is this here, and after that we are putting the value of BD, which is 3400. So eventually if we find the value of AB to be 1822.4 meter. The speed of the aircraft is this divided by 10, which is 182.24 meter per second.